Welcome back to another episode of Making Money Online, and today I want to talk about article writing. So, I'm going to give you one hack, and I think this is going to help someone who would like to do some side hustle or just do article writing and you can generate some income online. And the method that I'm going to talk about here is very easy. Anybody can get started. You don't require any academic qualifications. You don't need to buy any account. You don't need to have a test to do for you to get started with this method. So I'm going to explain to you step by step. Of course, when it comes to article writing, I understand there are different ways where you can make money from article writing and you can convert for instance, you can convert your articles into blogging. Now, where you write articles and you host them on your own website, and it's a good way of making money without having to use any third party. Or there are others where you can write articles for others, either direct clients, or you go to sites where clients are looking for works, and when they submit the specifications uh, to the website or to the site to the platform, then you get connected to these clients, and that is also another way. And there is also another one which I'm going to explain today, where you can just create articles, you submit them, and then you earn from views that you're getting on your articles. Isn't that a good method? And the good thing with this is that you don't need any qualifications or papers or anything or previous experience or to showcase what you've done in the past. It's just a matter of you getting started and things start rolling. So let me dive into it and I show you how this can be done. I'm going to talk about a website called uh, Smashoid. This is the website I'm going to talk about here. And you can see there are very many topics that are covered here, from gaming, lifestyle, tech, finance, crypto, reviews, health, education. Actually, there are quite many. And when you look at the website, it looks like a news website. And there are very many articles that have been posted here. You can review them, you can have a look at the different topics. You see what other writers are doing, how the other authors are doing, and very many things are happening here. Good things, of course, that will give you a hint of what needs to happen. Now, let me show you something here before we get started with creating an account. I'll open it in a new tab. And um, let's look at some of the things they're saying about what you need to join. There is no need of, as you can see, you don't need to have any previous experience or any particular qualification, as long as you have creativity, you are keen to detail, um, you are passionate about content creation, and then you are knowledgeable about trending topics. That's all you need. You don't need any papers, you don't need any certificate, any previous work. You don't need to do any tests for you to get started on Smashoid. Now, they're also talking about how you create the content, giving you some ideas about the trending topics, the kind of things that you can write, and they are going to trend online. And then when it comes to earning, they're also explaining about you cannot, I mean, you have no limit to the number of articles that you can publish. You can publish as many as possible. Actually, if you are really interested in article writing, you can make so much money from article writing, because they're not going to put you any limit for you. You can publish as many as possible. Then when it comes to originality of the content, you need to make sure that you're creating original content, because anything to do with plagiarism, then it's going to put you into problems. There is a video I had done some times back about how to get rid of plagiarism. I'm going to put the link in the comment section below. So make sure that you look at that video, and it's going to help you understand how you can get rid of plagiarism. Then there is the payment methods. You can also earn from referrals. Continue with this beginner's guide. There is, of course, plagiarism. They're also talking about the author's guide, which is here. Look at what they're saying about getting started, getting your approval, your articles approved. There is very useful information which is here on how you can make high quality articles. It's good you read about it. So, talking about where we he copyrights, read all this. It's very useful. Then the payment methods we have PayPal, PayTime, Bitcoin, Payoneer. So when it comes to the payments, you are sorted. You don't have to worry about that. Then there is the earning rates. You can see you can earn up to $20 per thousand views. Okay. Now let me explain something here how it works. Uh, it works almost the same as how YouTube works, where you are paid per the views. The same way this Smashoid works, because you'll be creating your articles once they are approved and published. The views that you get in your articles, then that is what will generate revenue for you. Okay. So that's the difference between this website and the other article writing websites. And so the trick here is creating high quality articles, because that's what is going to attract the viewers, that's going to give you the views, and writing as many as you can, because that way you will start now to generate a lot of money. So 20 per thousand views, I think that is pretty good CPM. So it's now on your side to make sure that you are generating high quality articles. Okay, let's go to creating an account. What you do is, now when you go to the registration page, all you need to do is capture these details: name, username, email, password. Confirm your password, check these I am not a robot checkbox, then you register. I already created an account, so I will just log in. Yes, and there we go. We have the dashboard, and you can see the dashboard is here. So I'm just going to talk about, you can, once you log in, as simple as that. Once you create your account, let me talk about article writing, because you will interact with the dashboard more as you familiarize yourself with the different features that are available there. I'll go to article writing. Of course, there is the guide that is telling you what you need to consider, like an article that is a minimum of 500 words, 100% unique, plagiarism, make sure that there is no plagiarism, and then the policies, the guide, everything. So all you need to do is select a good title, then summary of the article you write, select the category. Remember, I mentioned about different topics, or these select um, uh, where your article uh, falls in all these categories. Featured image. When you look at the website and you scroll, you can see there is topics and images. These are the featured images. You need to get a nice image which is going to attract the reader, of course, but of course matching the topic that you are discussing. You upload it there, then you write your article. Before you submit, make sure that you check plagiarism. There is a check plagiarism feature which is here. You can check grammar, and then you can get more guide from the video that I created previously. The link is in the comment section, that is talking about how to get rid of plagiarism completely, so that you can submit original work. If it's something you're working on and you haven't finished, you're not comfortable yet to submit, you can save as draft. When you save as draft, this work is not submitted. You can come later and continue with it, okay? Until you are comfortable, that is the time now you can submit for review. Of course, you're going to get feedback, you're going to communicate with the reviewer, and after that, you can start earning from views. So once your article is approved and published, when you come to the front end, you'll be able to see it just like the way these are appearing. But remember, we have said that you get paid from what? The views. So per thousand views on your article, you get up to $20 per views. So the trick here is making sure that you create high quality work. That is going to help you create high quality work, nice articles, create as many as possible. That is now going to generate a lot of income for you. So I believe this guide was helpful. Keep watching this space. And if you like this content, subscribe to my channel, because my next video, I'm going to talk about how you can generate articles using AI, artificial intelligence, where you can generate an article within minutes. Nice articles. And that's going to help you create as many articles as possible. So keep subscribing, keep watching, like, you can share with someone, and thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.